the main parking lot, showing cars waiting to be worked on. We work on about 50 to 60 cars at once here. The building. There's 3 separate rooms. This front room has 3 mechanics, 3 lifts, doing a lot of different repairs. Moving along to the center section. 2 more mechanics. The 33 MG J2. One of our current restorations up on the left there. Waiting final touches of the interior. Moving to the back room, this is the body shop area. Buffer. English wheel. Miller MIG. Miller TIG. Plasma cutter. Miller spot welder. There's a little spot welder down here, Blanco spot. This is a TR3. It needs to be finished up and painted. Got an interceptor, pretty close to final Bondo and primer stage. That's the work area right here. That's the open work area. Bench, place new tools, chop saw, brake, plunge shear, cranker stretcher. The outside area, you see the aluminum insulated awning over the flat slab. These are some evaporative coolers that we keep to keep the heat down. Water over a mesh. Here's an MGTD ready for paint. Jaguar sedan that's just out of paint, going together. That's a storage building out there that's actually our break room and sheet metal storage, fenders and doors and stuff. This is the paint booth. It's actually just a separate room of the building. More of the back, and that area right there, we're putting up a steel building, 30 by 80, and that's going to be used to keep the project cars in while they're being waited to be worked on, so they don't clutter up the shop. This is the paint booth, more of a paint room, of course. Everything just gets hung up in here. Sealed lighting. Big old Binks updraft air handler there. That building across the way, we also rent about half of that. It's full of parts and some other cars waiting to be worked on. And that's the whole shebang.